Intuit Lacerte Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the software are in the description. Lacerte is a professional-grade tax preparation software designed for CPAs, tax professionals, and firms handling complex tax filings. It supports a wide range of returns, including individual, business, trust, and estate taxes, making it a go-to solution for those dealing with high volumes of tax filings. One of its standout features is the robust set of automation tools, such as SmartMap for data import, auto calculations, and diagnostic checks to minimize errors. The interface is structured for efficiency, though it has a learning curve, especially for beginners. Lacerte integrates with Intuit Link, allowing clients to upload documents directly, reducing manual entry. E-filing is seamless, and the software provides real-time status tracking. The pricing model is based on pay-per-return or unlimited filing options, making it scalable for different firm sizes. However, it is on the expensive side, and users have reported occasional lag when handling large datasets. Customer support is available, but can be slow during peak tax season. If you need powerful tax software with extensive compliance coverage and automation, Lacerte is a strong choice. If you're a small firm or solo preparer, its cost might be a drawback. Overall, Lacerte delivers on accuracy, automation, and efficiency, making it one of the top solutions for tax professionals.